Hello everyone, welcome to the Coder with Sujit. In this video, we will learn how to write a Python program to find the area of rectangle using user input. To find area of the rectangle, we have formula length into breadth. Before writing the program, first we understand what is length and breadth of the rectangle. So I will first draw here a rectangle. So rectangle has two dimensions. One is length, another one is breadth. Length means the longer side of the rectangle and the breadth means the shorter side of the rectangle. So and the formula to finding the area of the rectangle is length into breadth. For an example, we have length 6 and breadth 4. Then multiply it together, we got 24. The area of rectangle is 24. I assume you are understand this concept. Let's begin with the Python program. First create a file. First I will take length and breadth, two variable, two input from the user. Input return as string format, so we need to convert it int format. So we use int method to convert it to integer. Same for the breadth. Yeah, I have taken here two input from the user. One is length, another one is breadth. Let's now we want to find the area of rectangle. To find area of the rectangle, the formula is length into breadth. Now we want to print it, so we use print method. Let's execute our program. Click on the run button. Now let's see here. It is asking first number to user. I will give it 2. It is asking a second number. I will give 3. 2 into 3 is 6. The area of the rectangle is 6. Our program has executed successfully. Thanks for the watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Coder with Sujit.